Ready to ditch the tedious task of manually sending SMS messages and supercharge your communication with automated workflows? First, head over to Twilio.com and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name and email address. Once you've signed up, Twilio will guide you through verifying your phone number. This is essential for sending and receiving SMS messages. Next, grab a Twilio phone number. Navigate to the phone number section in your Twilio dashboard and click Get a Number. You can search for a number based on area code or capabilities. Make sure the number you choose has SMS capabilities enabled. This will allow you to send and receive texts. Now, let's dive into the heart of automation: programmable SMS. In your Twilio dashboard, find the Programmable SMS section. This is where you'll configure how Twilio handles incoming and outgoing messages. Time to build your automation logic. Use Twilio functions or connect your own application server to define what happens when a message is received or needs to be sent. You can use simple if-and statements for basic automation, or more complex code for advanced workflows. For example, you can set up automatic replies, keyword-based routing, or scheduled messages. Finally, test your setup. Send a text message to your Twilio number and see if your automation works as expected. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive an automated response based on the logic you define. Now you can scale and enhance your communications by easily integrating these tools into your daily operations and workflows.